Friends, in today's video, we'll talk about the difference between the usage of the words look at, watch, and see. So let's get started. In today's lesson, we'll talk about the specifics of the usage of the words look at, watch, and see. So before we start our lesson, let's take a look at the following example. What sports do you like to see? Do you like to look at? Or do you like to watch? So what would be the correct form since all three words are synonyms? However, they are used in different ways. So the first one is the verb look at, and it is used to talk about the direction of your eyes to something on purpose. I don't like the way you look at me. The way you look at me. Just look at the results of the research. Look at the results. Jimmy, look at the rainbow. Look at the rainbow. Look at is also used when you want to say that something needs to be examined by a specialist. I would like a skin specialist to look at your feet. To look at your feet. Look at also means to read something quickly. Sammy, please look at your essay before turning it in. Look at your essay. The next verb is to see, which means to perceive with your eyes. Has anyone seen my phone? Seen my phone? Adam, do you see me? I am waving at you. Do you see me? I see a ship on the horizon. I see a ship. Caitlin can't see well without her glasses. Can't see well. The verb see also means to meet someone that you know by accident. Have you seen Brooke lately? Yes, I saw her yesterday. Have you seen Brooke? Yes, I saw her. See means to look at something in order to check it. Can I see your driver's license, please? Can I see your driver's license, please? And finally, the verb to watch means to observe over a period of time. Once a week, the grandparents watch the kids. The grandparents watch the kids. Watch is also related to TV or sports events. Today, I was watching a live football game with my friends. I was watching a live football game. Eddie loves watching movies at night. Loves watching movies. And finally, the verb watch means to look at you while you are doing something. Hey, Steven, watch what I can do. Watch what I can do. So going back to our first slide, in our example, we're going to use the verb watch. What sports do you like to watch? What sports do you like to watch? Thank you so much for being with us today. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends and family members, and we'll see you next time.